Imagine a virtual world that mirrors our own. In it, you meet colleagues, travel to foreign cities, and even get your pilot's license. This world is coming, and you've probably heard of it. It's called
the metaverse. The metaverse would allow that virtual space to operate like the real world does, for everyone, at the same time, with infinite memory and history.
But if you thought the metaverse was all about gaming, gigs, and virtual meetings, think again. It could transform numerous aspects of our daily lives.
The heat is unbelievable.
From firefighting and filmmaking,
We're going to see people spending more time in immersive experiences.
to manufacturing and medicine.
Using augmented reality as an opportunity for us to do things better.
A whole new world is emerging, and with it, multi-trillion-dollar opportunities.